Here's how to fix if one AirPod is not working. Now, with your AirPods with you and your iPhone, iPad, or Mac computer, let's open up the case near your device and then head into the settings of your phone. Once you're in the settings of your phone, you should be able to see at the very top, it should pop up with your AirPods. Let me try that again. I'm going to close it and then open it up again. And it should pop up at the very top with my AirPods. If it doesn't, you can always go to Bluetooth and then the little eye next to your AirPods. We're going to check to see what the battery life is for your AirPods. Keep in mind, when your case is starting to run out of battery, it could potentially charge up one of your AirPods, either the left or the right one, and not the other. So make sure you have enough battery. If you do have enough battery, let's go down to the very bottom here and then hit this forget this device. So just go through the process of forgetting the AirPods on your phone. It's completely fine. We'll just re-add them back again. The next thing we're going to do is a force reset on these AirPods. So what we're going to do is we're going to hop out of here. We're going to open the AirPods case up. You'll be able to see the green light here. I'm going to press and hold this little button at the very back of it until I reset the AirPods. So let me find that button and I'll press and hold it, and you'll be able to see this light will start to flash white. I'm going to continue to hold this until I do the entire force restart or reset on the AirPods. You can see it starts to blink quicker and then it blinks amber just like that. So it has been reset, so I can close it up and then open it back up again. And there you can see AirPods Pro. All I need to do is hit connect and it will reconnect to these AirPods. A lot of times this fixes it. Basically, you're just disconnecting, force resetting it to factory default, and then connecting it again. Now, if this doesn't work for you and it's still not working on your AirPods, let's on your phone go back to the very beginning of the settings. Let's tap on General and then scroll down until we get to Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then choose the Reset option and just reset all the network settings on your phone. So just enter in the passcode for your phone, reset those network settings. A lot of times that fixes any bugs or glitches, and make sure to plug in your AirPods so that they're fully charged.